Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Manchester to St Elizabeth. More specifically, we're going to drive over Spur Tree Hill that is. So we are in Manchester still. This is a town called Haddo, and it's right on the outskirts of Mandeville, and Mandeville is the major town, the capital of Manchester. So we are on the main road, and we are passing through Haddo and going to drive over Spur Tree Hill. On the right is the Tropic View Hotel. Now Spur Tree is very famous in Jamaica. It's a very popular hill. It's when you're driving from Kingston to Westmoreland, that's the hill you have to go over. In the same way, Mount Rossa is very famous on the north coast, because if you're driving from Kingston to Ocho, Mount Rossa was the road you had to go over. The hill, sorry, you had to go over. And with Spur Tree now, if there's an accident, you can be stuck on that hill for hours. It has some very deep corners, and sometimes cars. Okay, we're leaving Mandeville now, so we're now entering St Elizabeth. And sometimes the trucks, the cars, they lose control, or they go around the corners too fast, and it leads to an accident. Or sometimes a truck just breaks down. It's a very steep hill to go over. And when that happens, traffic nightmare. The same thing with Mount Rossa. I mean, I'm sure persons can tell us stories, can leave them in the comment section about being delayed on your journey when you're going over these hills. So we're going to look at the infamous Spur Tree Hill. And now if you get stuck on Mount Rossa, there's nothing you can do. Turn around or wait. Same thing if you get stuck in the Bogwalk Gorge, nothing you can do. Turn around or wait. Mount Spur Tree is a little different. There are other roads you can take, but it's going to take long. I mean, some of those roads were built for the bauxite companies. They're not really main roads. So there are alternate routes, but where it would take you 15 minutes to go over Spur Tree, it might take you 2 hours or an hour to navigate those side roads. But they are there. Alright, so the area right before you go over the hill, well, it's known as the Spur Tree area. So that's where the hill gets its name, Spur Tree Hill, because it's a hill in that area. I mean, this road is a main road. This is the main road that you have to take to get from Mandeville to St Elizabeth. And it could do with some, I think it's below the standard of what a main road should be, but nonetheless, this is the road. Okay, and I mean, when you talk about indiscipline, this car chooses to turn around. Look at where the corner is, on a main road. All they had to do was drive down, find somewhere and make a U-turn, but no, they just come out and turn on the main road. That was very dangerous. Alright, so on the right now is a call center, like one of those BPO. It's a Sutherland facility. So it's good to have that kind of infrastructure being built for those companies. It gives people job opportunities, and it will do a lot for the area. So this is the Spur Tree area now. On the right is a gas station called Gas Smart, or Gas Mart, sorry. And there is a very popular hot pepper sauce, like a pepper, a bottled pepper, that has the name Spur Tree. It's called Spur Tree Scotch bonnet pepper, and it got its name from this area. I'm assuming they have a factory or something in this area, or they started making it, but it's named after this area. Okay, as you can see, some very nice houses here, very large houses. And the left is another hardware store. Okay, so we're now at the top, because when we were going through Mandeville, we were actually going up the hill. So now we're going to actually go down Spur Tree Hill now. Now, Spur Tree Hill is also very famous for its restaurants. You can get some of the nicest food in Jamaica, and more specifically curry goat, at the restaurants here on Spur Tree Hill. And it's like, this is the main road, so when people are traveling, they would always stop here for lunch. So this is, okay, we're actually going down the hill now. So we're going on the hill now. And you see all this traffic slowing down? It's because it's a very steep hill. I guess that sign there, I'm not sure. I can't remember ever seeing a sign like that. It's like an asterisk. I'm sure it has some meaning, but can somebody please tell us what that sign means? I've never seen a sign like that before. I've seen the sign where it says steep hill, slow down, or engage low gear. I've never seen an asterisk in a sign before. So can somebody please tell us in the comment section what that sign is for? Okay, now it says you are leaving Spur Tree. So we're leaving the community of Spur Tree, but we're going down Spur Tree Hill now. Okay, so you can see this traffic. There probably means there is a truck or something at the head of the traffic, because it doesn't usually back up like this unless the road is blocked. But the truck, it's a very steep hill, as you can see, and the trucks have to use their low gear, and if they have cargo on them, or they say in Jamaica, if they have a load on them, then they have to take their time and go down the hill. So that's probably what is causing the traffic to be moving so slow. And of course, you can see somebody doesn't want to wait, so they are overtaking a line of traffic on a corner. So good luck to them. Okay, the traffic has freed up. So it was this truck that was caused, and as you can see, the truck is fully loaded. This truck was what was causing the delay. They have to take their time and go down the hill. There is no way around it. Alright guys, so this is Spur Tree Hill. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.